figure shows the speed time graph for the first 125 seconds of the journey of a lorry. A speed meter per second, time in seconds. During the motion shown, describe what happens to the speed of the lorry. Here if you see, here is 30 seconds and the line is straight from this point to this point. The line is straight. So you have to say here till 30 seconds speed increases equally. Students here make a common mistake. Till 30 seconds speed increases. Of course you will get a mark, but if you write this equally you will get a more good opinion from the examiner. Now you can see 30 and here this one 55 seconds. From 30 to 55 seconds speed reaches its maximum value of 25 meter per second. Here is 25, it's the maximum speed. Then it is moving at a constant speed. So you can simplify these points into these given three lines. So we cannot exceed the given lines. So speed increases equally till 25 seconds. Equally. Reaches maximum speed of 25 meter per second at 55 seconds. Then it continues at constant speed. And for the acceleration, describe what happens to the acceleration of the lorry. The same till 30 seconds. It is at constant acceleration, and 30 to 55 seconds acceleration decreases to zero. Acceleration decreases to zero. Then if you want to continue, you can continue after 55 seconds the acceleration it at zero. Determine the maximum speed of the lorry in meter per second in kilometer per hour. Maximum speed here 25 meter per second. Convert this value into kilometer per hour. So in short you can by heart memorize this 18/5. On this question, the figure shows a manometer used to measure the pressure difference. So here is the pressure difference. Here is the pressure difference. So the students will see this diagram, and the difference is here 20 and here is 80. So 80 minus 20 is equal to 60. So they will write here 60, and this answer is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because if you see the unit here, Pascal, what unit you get from the diagram, it is centimeter. Actually, it is centimeter. So, how will you convert centimeter to Pascal? So, here is a clue. Every 100 Pascal causes a 1 centimeter difference in water level. So, every 1 centimeter will have 100 Pascal. 1 centimeter, 100 Pascal. We have 60 centimeters. X cross multiply. X is equal to 60 multiply by 100 is equal to 6000 Pascal. So the right answer is 6000 Pascal. So you'll get 1 mark. State what changes, if any, occur to the distance h, the height difference, the pressure difference, or the height difference, if the manometer tube is narrower. If it is narrower or it is wider, it doesn't matter. The pressure, no change. The height difference will be the same. No change in the height difference. But if a liquid inside the manometer is denser than the water is used in the manometer, if the density of the liquid is higher, the height difference decreases. Here we find the weight of the student. Before that, they ask you to write the formula, this word formula. You cannot write pressure is equal to force over area. Here you have to write the full word. Pressure is equal to force over area. Write as it is, simple. Okay. Calculate the weight of the student. Here you should know the weight is equal to applied force on the platform of this question. Previously I have shown in this. So the weight, pressure is equal to force over area. So force is equal to pressure multiplied by area. Pressure, we found it is 6000 Pascal, and the area is here 0.1 meter square. So if we multiply, you get 600 newtons. Here there are three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Which arrangement A, B, or C contains molecules with the most energy? It is, of course, C, gas molecules, because it moves freely randomly at a higher speed than the liquid and solid, so it should have most energy. Explain in terms of the forces between the molecule and their separation why gases are easier to compress than liquids. Because molecules, you have to write in terms of forces between the molecules. Virtually no force of attraction, so you can compress it easily. And their separation, they are far apart. The molecules are far apart, so it can be compressed easily. The next question, why latent heat is needed to change substance from solid to liquid? If you want to change it from solid to liquid, you need energy. The reason, to increase the gap between the molecules. If you want to increase the gap between the molecules, you need energy because you have to overcome the intermolecular force of attraction. So, 2 points are needed. Increase the gap between the molecules in order to overcome the intermolecular force of attraction. And second thing, you can say to break the bond. To break the bond. So 2 points. So in short, you can write like this: to overcome intermolecular force of attraction or to increase the potential energy, because as the gap between the molecule increases, potential energy increases because the molecules do work against the force of attraction and it gains potential energy. And the another point you can write: to break the bond.